Welcome back to Rare Coin Review, the channel where everyday coins turn into hidden treasures. If you love old coins, rare coins, and coin values, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a valuable coin update. Today's coin is the 1972 American 5 cents, also known as the Jefferson Nickel. Basic information. Country: United States of America. Year: 1972. Value on coin: 5 cents. Metal composition: 75% copper, 25% nickel. Weight: 5 grams. Diameter: 21.2 millimeters. This coin was used in everyday life, buying candy, soda, and snacks, but today, some of them are worth much more than 5 cents. Front. Obverse on the front of the coin, we see a portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States. Designer: Felix Schlag. The word liberty appears on the left. The year 1972 is on the right. Jefferson's profile faces left. Back. Reverse on the back, we see Monticello, Thomas Jefferson's famous home. The word Monticello. 5 cents. United States of America. Latin phrase, e pluribus unum. This design makes the Jefferson nickel one of the most recognizable U.S. coins. Now let's answer the big question. Why can a 1972 nickel be worth up to $22? The value depends on 3 main factors. Keycap 1 condition, very important. Circulated coins equals usually face value. Uncirculated coins equals higher value. Mint state coins, MS65, MS67, equals collector demand. A 1972 nickel in very high mint condition can sell for $15 to $22. Sometimes even more. Keycap 2 mint mark. 1972 coins were made in Philadelphia, no mint mark. Denver, D mint mark. San Francisco, S mint mark. Proof coins. 1972 S proof nickels are specially made for collectors and are more valuable. Keycap 3 errors and varieties. Some 1972 nickels have weak strikes, off-center strikes, die cracks, double details. Error coins can be worth much more than normal ones. Here's how you can check your 1972 nickel at home. Step 1. Look for the mint mark near Monticello. Step 2. Check for scratches and wear. Step 3. Look for errors with a magnifying glass. Step 4. Compare shine and detail. If your coin looks almost new after 50+ years, that's a good sign. Estimated values, approximate. Circulated, 5 to 30 cents. Uncirculated, $1 to $5. High mint state, MS66. MS67, $15 to $22. Proof 1972, S, $3 to $10. Error coins, $20 to $100 plus. Remember, coin prices change based on demand and condition. If you think your coin is valuable, do not clean it. Store it in a coin holder. Get it graded by a professional service. Cleaning a coin can destroy its value. So before you spend that old nickel, take a closer look. It might be worth $22 or more. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Rare Coin Review. Comment below. Have you ever found a valuable coin in your pocket?